1888, first pneumatic tire was made by John Dunlop. 1997, on to put these Dunlops on these XR650Ls. They kind of work, but 2022 is a good year to change out your original tires. So that's what we're gonna do. Rear tire. This rear tire made it to 1,860 miles. That's not too bad. We're gonna switch this rear over to a Dunlop D606. Oh look, it's already done. Magic. Helps to have a couple of these nice tire spoons. And then when you get really mad, you get out your really long tire spoon. And let me tell you, that thing will help you out right there. And then for the front, I'm going with this Tractionator. Heard good things about that one. They're both DOT tires. Just way knobbier than these old dual sport tires that really don't work good in anything. Maybe pavement. But they're all over the place, every other kind of terrain. Not real fun. So maybe this will help. I went with a heavy duty inner tube and I added a rim lock on there for off-road protection. And then I'm using this stand I got. Makes it a lot easier to work on these things. Let's see if this front wheel will come off here. These ones are 10 millimeter. Probably didn't have to take them all the way off, huh? That didn't seem too hard. Get this tire changed out now. Just like magic, we got instant traction. Well, we could go ahead and throw away these piles of rubber. We'll go ahead and throw away this tire stand. We don't need that no more. Sure worked nice though, but it's just scrap metal now. Tires last forever, so you don't need it no more.